Hi Lost Dragon TFO and welcome to my stream.
You're tuned to Radio Freedom, voice of the Minutemen.
Hey, let's go.
Keep it tuned here for Minutemen alerts.
Thank you very much for the follow, Go Bellide 8851. Welcome to my stream too also. Very much appreciate the follow. There are certain words that I've put in a mod that's deleted because of the trolls I get. That's why it happened. Nothing against you in personal.
Strong want to kill something.
The smooth sounds of Diamond City Radio are brought to you by the following. Commonwealth weaponry. It's dangerous.
I cleared out that spot you sent me to and set up a radio beacon there.
That's great news. Once folks have some place to call their own, they'll be willing to help the family.
I got to go. Nice to see everybody. Got to get some sleep, lots to do tomorrow, Monday. See you all later. Okay, no worries. Thank you very much for stopping by, Lightning Glambo 68. Very much appreciated, and I'll see you in my future streams.